This collab builds complete neural network from scratch in pure NumPy layers, activations, loss functions, optimizers, and training on real dataset. First, we include all the libraries that are required. So here we implement a single neuron function performing weighted sum dot product plus bias on sample inputs 1, 2, 3, and the outputs also show calculation 2.3. Here we define the activation function classes such as sigma, tanh, relu, leaky relu, softmax with forward and derivative methods. Here is the visualization for 4 activation functions and their derivatives across input range -5 to 5. So here in the output it shows characteristic curves such sigmoid, tanh, saturate, relu is piecewise linear here. Now here we implement the loss function classes such as the MSE, binary cross entropy, categorical entropy with forward and backward methods. So the output confirms the loading, and here we plot the MSE and BCE loss landscapes for predictions versus true value 0.7. Here in the output the MSE is symmetric or quadratic, and BCE is asymmetric and penalizes confident errors very heavily. Next, we implement dense layer class with he weight and initialization, forward pass, matrix multiply, and backward propagation. So the output layer 2, 3 input produces 2, 4 output. Next, we implement the optimizer classes, the SGD with momentum and ADA, the ADAM with adaptive learning rates. So next, we implement complete neural network class with layer stacking, training loop, prediction, and history plotting methods. We train a 281 network on ZOR problem for 1000 epochs using ADAM optimizer. So the output achieves 100% accuracy and perfect predictions on all 4 ZOR patterns, shows the training curves converging. Here is the visualization for ZOR decision boundary showing non-linear separation of classes. In this output, we display color-coded regions separating the 4 ZOR points correctly. Here. Now we generate the 2 moons dataset, which trains 2 16 16 1 network for 200 epochs with validation split. We achieve a 99.75% accuracy. Here we visualize the multi-class spiral decision boundary with color-coded regions for 3 classes. So the output displays network successfully separating all 3 spiral arms with 100% accuracy. Here we load the sklearn digits 8 by 8 images. Show the training and validation loss and validation accuracy. So to conclude, this collab builds complete neural networks from scratch, which is dense layer, activations, losses, optimizers using SGD, ADAM, and also trains on ZOR, 2 moon spirals, and digit classifications.